Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, okay, before entering the learning video, let me introduce myself. My name is Eliza Hartati, my nickname 2052000064. I'm class 4 TBI, and in this video, I will make learning media that has been assigned by Mr. Edi Rozal as a final semester assignment. Okay, let's start. Hello guys, how are you today? Okay, I hope you are well. Okay, let's start the lesson by reading the prayer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay, well, today we will discuss about the reading. What is reading? Reading is the process of seeing written symbol, the end of tiny meaning from the written symbol. When we read, we use our eyes to see the written symbol or letters, punctuation, marks, and space. Then we use our brains to compare or turn them into word, paragraph to convey something to us. There are many words to read. We can read silently or aloud. Reading is a receptive skill because by reading we get information. In addition, the reading process also requires speaking skills, so that we can pronounce the word we read. Reading skill are also productive skill because after we read, we get information and we can send the information we get to others. So by reading we can be a good means to improve our English skill. By reading, of course, we can expand our English vocabulary, which we can then apply when we speak English. Therefore, reading is a very valuable activity and is highly recommended for those who want to learn English. Okay, next. In this reading lesson, I will explain the teaching materials that we need and use. Okay, first, in this level, which consists of we use source through library research and I will make observation in class. 2. The defining stage in a team or consisting of representatives of the course learner themselves, learners and developers. And 3. The design and development stage, we will design the place or development improvement. Then we choose the media and format and procedure evaluation. And 4. We use product design and development or syllabus, lesson plans, contents, text, and assignments. And finally, we will carry out the dissemination stage. Okay, next, I will explain methodology and strategies. Strategies or teaching method that improve students' ability in reading comprehension. The basis is discussion. So, students, we will be divided into group or 5. Each student has a different role in the discussion. In the first step, you discuss to determine the topic and subject matter by reading the first paragraph, reading the title, identifying sentence, keywords, and looking at the picture listed in the text. The both conclude what we will be learning in a reading text. Then you predict what will be explained by the text. The second step, we use clues and deep call. You and each group are asked to continue reading the text to the next section or paragraph. After that, each looks for clues or deep call words. After that, last 5 words for each member. Then you look for the meaning of the word. No, use these 3 steps. This is the same as finding the main ID or main ID of a text. The trick can be to be creative of determine the important ID from each paragraph. First, the analyze the best combination of ID in the text. The main ID generates from this get the gist is an ID that is written in only 10 words or even less. The last step you make decision is determine question related to the text they have studied, and also they need to know the answers so they don't just make up questions. What is the purpose of writing? It is a way to test whether they understand the ideas or detailed information in the text. Okay, the learn media. The first, storybooks. Storybooks are useful for you to read stories, and then after that you write or take notes on words you don't understand and discuss them in groups. And two, that I will also write some questions on the blackboard for you to read and discuss about it. And the last, I will also show a film from a laptop using InFocus. The film is animation. Film is English with English subtitle with the translate while you pay attention to the words or you meet in the films. Okay, next, the main activities. The first, I will assign you to report back what you have seen and read, and 2, you do group discussion in class, and 3, write a diary of what you have read, and 4, write a short book review, and the last, provide a note or reading place where you note the title, publisher, level and star, and dates and comments. Okay guys, before ending our lesson on reading today, I will conclude the important points of the materials, method, and steps. I will also give assignments to do at home. If you have any questions, please ask. If not, we will close today's lesson by reading Alhamdulillahirobbilalamin. Thank you guys. Okay, maybe in this video. Thank you for watching. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.